Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to appear offline in Pokémon GO. To appear offline, or if you want to play Pokémon GO without showing your online status, launch open the game first on your device, and then once you end up in the home page of Pokémon GO, go ahead and tap on your trainer's profile icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on the Friends button at the top, and then go ahead and toggle off the button right underneath your profile avatar at the top left. Make sure that it shows offline status, and now your friends won't see when you are online. You can still send gifts and battle without broadcasting your activity. So that's how you can easily appear offline in Pokémon GO without others seeing your online presence. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.